Arrive in, arrive at, and arrive on. What's the difference? Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for more videos. Let's get started. Let's talk about arrive in. We use arrive in for towns, cities, countries, or generally, a geographical location. For example, he arrived in London. We use the preposition in, because London is a city. What time does the plane arrive in New York? As you know, New York is a state, so we use arrive in for it. We also use arrive in for month, year, or season. For example, the migratory birds will arrive in summer to nest. The new collection of designer clothes will arrive in 2015. My parents arrived in March. Arrive at. We use arrive at for buildings, parts of buildings, or specific locations. For example, we will arrive at the airport by noon. In this sentence, we use arrive at because the airport is a specific location. Let's look at the other examples. I arrived at hotel just in time for check-in. She arrived at the station just as the train was leaving. Arrive on. We use arrive on when we refer to a day. For example, she will arrive on Monday and stay with us for a week. I hope you have a safe flight and arrive on Sunday as planned. He said he would arrive on Monday, but he never showed up. We use arrive on for these sentences because Monday and Sunday refer to the day. Notice that we use arrive without a preposition in the following cases. Arrive home. Joe should arrive home any minute now. Arrive early and arrive late. I don't think we should arrive early. Arrive tomorrow and yesterday. He booked his flight online. He will arrive tomorrow evening.